In this video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on Windows without downloading any software, no OBS, no third-party tools. Let's get into it. Alright, so here is the magic combo. If you press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard, that will instantly bring up the built-in screen recording tool. The toolbar will appear and you can select any part of the screen you want to record, or you can select all the screen. Also, there is this toolbar to show the start button. I don't know why it's showing French, but you will see start. So there is a button where you can enable your microphone, and there is another button where you can also activate and deactivate your audio system. So when you click start recording, it will record the part of the screen you selected. When you're done, click the stop button and you can save your recording whatever you want. So this is perfect for quick tutorials, class recording, or bug reports, and again, no need to install anything. And this is it, guys. See you next time.